Hello guys, welcome to an extraordinary GD by Extraordinary Kids. Here are the 4 participants who are going to discuss with me on a very simple topic. Okay, today we will discuss that should kids use cell phone or not. It means they should use cell phone or not. We are going to discuss on this topic today. So here you can see 4 little kids. They are going to discuss on this simple topic. But before we start the session, let's discuss about them. So yes, once tell me something about you.
Hello friends, my name is Vanshrajani. I study in 7th class.
Yes, please.
My name is Jaydev Patel. I am studying in 9th class.
Okay.
Hello friends, my name is Rishabh Malviya and I study in 6th class.
Hello guys, my name is Aida Sona and I study in 6th class.
Okay guys, now you can see these are the little champs of our institution. Now today they are going to discuss with me. Okay, but it is my guarantee, guys, this video is going to be rock. So I think you should watch till the end. And if you like the video, so please share it in your family, share it in your friend circle. So, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
Now guys, let's get started. Okay, so now guys, we are starting the session. So first who is going to start? You? Yes.
Mobile phone are very useful, but they are going on a wrong way. The children are using in a wrong way. That in a pandemic, we see that the children are using in a studies, but they are taking the mobiles from the parents, and they are on the basis of their studies, they are watching the YouTube and all the other things, and playing the games and other things.
Okay, it means we should not use cell phone. It means children should not use cell phone. Okay, yes, Arak.
So I think that children should not use the cell phone because it damages his or her eyes. And if we can talk, the children are addicted to the mobile now. If they have no mobile, so they can't do study or anything, because nowadays the government has done the rule like online studies. In online studies, the students are not able to study and they are playing just games.
Okay, yes.
But they can in a lockdown. There are so many children they did on online study, and that is why the mobile is useful for children, and they can study in mobile, and they can search anything that what they don't know.
Okay. So why it means you think that we should use cell phone?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, because mobile is very useful, and there are so many things by which we can learn more things. Like our Persona Institute channel, this learns us one thing that we can learn English.
We can learn English. Okay, that's really great. You can ask questions.
Sir.
Yeah, wait a minute. Let's speak first. Yes.
Thank you, sir. I want to speak that we should watch mobile in limit, because we can't watch every day, because now you are seeing that some children are using phones all time.
Yes.
But it affects eyes, and their video that they can't live without mobile.
Yes. So do you use
Yes, in limit.
in limit? Okay. Yes. What do you want to say?
So what about that? You are saying that the children are studying on the mobile. But what about that the parents do not watch them all time? They are...
They can't monitor always.
Yes.
But sir, in a lockdown, children are doing much online study on the mobile. Sir, that is why the mobile, I am saying that it is good for us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
But in you see the Zoom app, they are doing the meeting. But the teacher has told him to open your video. Also open audio and video, and they also do that screen. You should also screen recording to us.
Okay, we can also record. We can record the session. Then we can also learn by, if you want to repeat the sessions, we can read. We can learn by recording the session. So what do you think about online classes? Especially in the pandemic, we got help of cell phone. We are attending classes every day. So what about this?
So I think that online classes is very bad for the students. I think that the failure students are now also failure, but the top students are going to the failures because they are not able to study properly.
Okay, so here what is the role of cell phone? It means you are talking about online classes, offline classes. That is a different aspect. If you are talking about our topic is cell phone. So here in online classes, yes. Here in online classes, offline classes. So I think mobile phones are very important here. We can learn something because we can't go outside. So somehow we are having an option. So yes, please then.
Sir, but if the children's hand is very damaged and he is unable to write, so he can click the photo from the board by the mobile. Yes, sir. So this is the also advantage of mobile.
Advantages. Okay, yes, please.
But what do you think that he is not clicking the photos? He is thinking that of the notification that comes of the WhatsApp, Instagram, and that all the social media networks.
But the teacher will see will look that what is the children doing, and if and the children can ask from the teacher that can I click the photo of the board. So if children say if teacher says that yes you can, so he can also, and the
Yes, Vansh, what do you
teacher
want to say?
also
Yes, please.
Sir, I want to say that the children are also buying something from the mobile store like Amazon and so many apps.
Yes,
So
yes.
we are also free from the going outside.
Okay, now especially in this pandemic, please, what do you think?
So I think mobile is so bad for the student because it damage eyes and the people are addicted. So the people play games until 4 to 5 hours.
Okay,
So
okay.
their
You have to just,
feet also damaged.
Just don't put your mic here because it will create noise. Yes.
Sir, he is saying that we are buying the things from the mobile and online shopping. So from this online shopping, we do not do the bargaining and other things.
Okay,
So,
okay. Just coming to the point, because you're talking about online shopping, you're talking about offline or online classes. You are not in the favor of cell phone. You are not in the favor of. What are the reasons? What about the distraction? It means you're talking about the distraction that people, if they are doing something good over the cell phone, if any message will come on their screen, they will go to reply. So what about it?
Sir, they are wasting their time on
Yes.
that.
They are wasting. But how can we overcome? Because mobile phones are very important. We can't deny that we should not have cell phones. But how can we control ourselves? That's the question to all of you. It means how can we control by using excessive? We have to use, because in this pandemic our classes are not going on. So we have to take help of technology, especially technologies like cell phones. So we can't deny that we should not use. But how can we control? How can we control? Who will answer? How can we control excessive uses of cell phone? Anybody? One by one. First you.
Sir, we are not downloading the Instagram, WhatsApp,
Okay.
and other things
Social media
because
in short.
social media in short, that we can use them in a connective way.
In connective way. Can you explain what is the connective way?
We can phone the people when we go anywhere. So the small children were lost or anything.
Okay.
So we can phone, we can call them and bring to us.
That's really great. That's really good. How can we control excessive uses?
Sir, I think that we should
don't
off the notification of other social media sites. As we can see the thing that students are studying, at that time the notification come and the student distracted from his study. So we should off the notification of the mobile cell phone,
Okay.
and we should not operate the social media sites.
It means we should not use social media site. Point to be noted, everyone. Yes.
But sir, if there are so many types of the messages of online shoppings like our schools. So sir, if our school's message comes that you have to write this application, so sir we can write, and by that we know that what we have to do, what did the teacher give us
Okay.
the homework. Yes sir.
So we can't deny, even we can't put silent. We can't off the notification. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir. But sir, we are also giving the exams in online.
Yes.
Sir, we are also giving the online. But whenever the mobile is not there, so how we can give the exams?
But situation was not like this. We could go outside earlier, but now suppose we in this pandemic especially. Okay, just leave the things before this pandemic. If we talk about before 2020,
Yes, sir.
so what was the situation that time? Talk about that scenario. That time, should children use a cell phone? Because in this pandemic situation is totally different. But after this, now it is going to be removed totally. I am talking about this pandemic. But now we are attending offline classes. We are going out of our homes if we need. So what is the use of cell phone here? Are you getting or not? I am asking that what are the role of cell phone now? You're talking about social media. So what are the advantages of social media? Yeah, disadvantage. What do you think? You can say something. Yes, please.
So whenever we do shopping,
Yes.
whenever you are admit in somewhere,
Yes.
admit or you get a chot.
Yes,
Uh,
yeah. Yeah,
You
you
are
can
paying. You are
Getting bounce.
Yes, sir. So sir,
Injured. You can use any word. Yes, carry on.
sir. So you are doing a shopping from mobile. it is so easy way.
Yeah.
It is not we go to outside and go and say to that please come to my home. But it is also delivery charges. But in in the online shopping we also get discount.
Yeah.
In
So
festivals.
it is just possible because of cell phone. We are having the technology of cell phone. Yes. Yes. What?
But you don't do bargaining on that.
Oh, okay. It means if you are going with online shopping, you can't bargain. So you like bargaining?
Yes, sir. Sometimes little bit, sir.
Okay. Okay. So you please.
So I think that as he is saying that we should do the online shopping. It is bad. Sometimes the product has changed and the people who are don't know how to change it, the people's getting problem.
Okay. Yes. Last.
But we can also get much thing and a much good thing on online shopping also.
Okay. Our topic is not online shopping, dears. All right. Okay. So finally now you all have to conclude. In conclusion, you can say what do you think? Okay. Yes.
Sir, the phone is not good for the childrens. They are good for the elder ones.
But not for kids.
Yes.
Okay.
So I think that mobile is good and we can use it in limit.
Yes.
We should use it in limit. If we are using it in limit, so it is good for us and it has so many advantages.
Really great. Okay. Yes.
But if you have not television, so and you have the mobile, so you can entertain to yourself by the mobile also.
Yes. Conclude.
Whenever the mobile is not there, so you are seeing the. Okay, leave it. You are doing online classes. So online classes 2 to 3 hours, but after that you are also taking mobile for entertainment. And you are also seeing TVs.
In short, we should not use. Kids should not use cell
So
phone.
we can use the our in the pandemic we see that the all the parents are at the home.
Yes.
So we can spend our time with them also.
Okay. It means we can spend time. We can spend time with our family members. Okay. So now guys, it's enough for this video. Okay, we will see you in next video. I know that you are shocked. Whatever here happened, I know that you are shocked. Okay, these are the extraordinary kids. Okay guys, so if you like the video, so please share it. Do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you so much.